Hello, Nebraska anglers. Today I will be teaching you how to Texas rig a soft plastic bait for bass fishing, specifically in the Midwest. The Texas rig is a very versatile and easy rig to catch largemouth bass. It also is weedless, so you can cast it almost everywhere, and it is very cheap because soft plastics are typically bought in bulk. This is one of the easiest and most common ways that anglers catch largemouth bass. Now, to begin, we need to select our bait. Texas rigs are typically soft plastics. They can look anything like this. We can do like a curly tail worm, a classic stick bait worm, or even something a little bit more diverse like this here creature bait. All of these baits come in a variety of sizes and colors. Other than the bait itself, Texas rigs specifically use one type of hook. This is what you would call an extra wide gap hook. It's called the extra wide gap hook because there is a space between the barb and the shank of the hook, which allows, when you set the hook on a soft plastic, this allows the plastic to condense between the two. Just makes for better hook sets. I will be demonstrating the most common way to rig a Texas rig, and then I will rig a couple of the other ones just so you can see. The most common way that everyone throws a soft plastic Texas rig style is on one of these classic stick baits. Typically these are called Senkos. You can find them in a variety of colors and a variety of brands as well. The main characteristics of these are that they are just a standard stick. There's not much to them. They're pretty uniform in diameter and in weight. So the first thing about rigging a Texas rig is you have your EWG here, and you're going to go with the barb through the top of your soft plastic. This is also called the nose. So you're going to go through the nose like this, and you're going to come out about 1/2 inch to 3/8 of an inch outside of the nose. So now that you have this, you're going to push the soft plastic all the way up the shank. So now you are back to here on the shank, and you're going to, once you get up to this little curve on the top, you're going to twist and push. Twist and push. So it comes out of the top like that, and you should only have the eyelet, the little circular eyelet on the top, and then you should have your hook kind of dangling here. So what makes this a Texas rig and what makes this weedless is that this hook is going to be embedded into the side of the worm. So when you are fishing it, the chances of you getting snagged on grass or rocks are a lot lower. So in order to do that, you need to lay out your worm like this so you can mark where your hook is going to be